Hello everyone, I'm out for walk and I used the same route as the last time when I picked up that leaf to make the golden angel like this one. And I hope that I can find some leaf left because it's late autumn now. It's going to be winter in a few days. I think I'm alright at that place with the leaves. I think it's this one. I don't know what it's called. It looks like this. As you can see, the leaves, they look like an angel with wings. I'm trying to find some smaller one. I have to be careful. So I'm going to keep them in my plastic folder because it's going to take a while before I arrive home. I hope the owner will not see me pick their leaves, but they are going to fall down anyway. Winter is coming soon. I hope that I'm not so greedy to pick too many. I don't want to pick the big one. Just want the smaller one only. Like this one is perfect. But some of them are not like that. Some of them look like this. And some look like this. I don't know if they are the same plant. They look quite big. And this is the flower. I think it's the same plant. But this one is only plain leaves like this. Not same as the other one. Look at this one. This one have only one wing. This one also have only one wing. This is the tree with the vine that I picked this leaf. I think I will make a few angels and put them in the owner post box to thank them for these leaves. What do you think? Have to be careful, not press them too much. Otherwise it will destroy the veins. So let's go home. I think I find some more leaf that can be used with my UV resin and fresh leaf project, like this one. I think the leaf can be used to make angel. I will try to find some nice leaf. And these are the white strawberry leaves. I think I will take some. Am I crazy person that see the angel everywhere? I think when I start creating something and in that period I will see everything that I can use to use with my project. I don't know if anyone feel like me. I feel a little bit crazy. Now I put them in the folder together with the other one, the other angel. I hope that I will not find more things on the way home. it's quite a while before I arrive home, so maybe. Am I crazy? I call these the angel plants because of the leaf.